that is based on biometrics to avoid duplication. And D, it also proposes a unified vehicle registration system for all stakeholders like manufacturers, owners, transport authorities, insurers, etc. It will make easy the transfer of vehicles across the states through online system. Madam, I am confident that the honorable members of this house, irrespective of the party affiliation, will welcome this bill wholeheartedly. With these words, I now move the bill to be taken into consideration. Thank you, ma'am.
Motion moved. Ms. Kripika Taneja, please.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I assert my vehement opposition to the consideration of such a bill. Madam, it promises to simplify the application and issuance procedure of driving license. But presently, there are several individuals which are holding more than one driving license. While several do not have driving license, but still they are driving vehicles. So, I would like to ask from the concerned minister what measures are taken by the government in this regard.
Honorable Minister, please.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I want to convey to my colleague that from now, issuing of the driving license should be strictly based on the minimum proficiency acquired by the learners from the designated driving schools. Madam, I agree with my colleague that there are several individuals holding more than one driving license. But the implementation of this bill will end this through a unified driving licensing system as well as an automated driving license test. Thank you, ma'am.
Ms. Chetna Bhattacharya, please.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I want to know from the concerned minister that what benefits will country's GDP and employment sector will receive from this bill.
Honorable Minister, please.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, after the implementation of the Road Transport and Safety Bill, the national GDP will approximately increase by 4%. And it will create more than 10 lakh jobs in India due to increased investment in the transport sector. Also, improving road safety in India is a pursuit that will support economic growth also as well as saves lives also. Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Abhishek Tyagi, please.
Honorable Madam, I